Tired of wrestling with printers, scanners, and snail mail just to sign a simple document? Well, guess what? You can actually sign documents for free on Docusign. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. First, head over to Docusign.com, that's Docusign.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up Free button. It's usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a sign-up form. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure you use a valid email address, as you'll need to verify it later. Docusign will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click on the verification link in the email. This confirms your account and allows you to proceed. Great, you're in. Now, to sign a document, look for the Upload or New button on your dashboard. It might be in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Click on that. Select the document you want to sign from your computer and upload it to Docusign. Docusign supports various file formats, like PDF, Word, and more. Once the document is uploaded, you can add your signature. Click on the designated signature field, and Docusign will give you options to draw, type, or upload an existing signature. Choose your preferred method and place your signature. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with your signature and any other fields you need to fill out, click the Finish button. You can then download the signed document to your computer. Remember, the free account has limitations on sending documents for signature, but for basic signing needs, it's perfect.